Hi friends, it's Mrs. Kondo. Today we're going to start our lesson with reviewing our essential question. Are you ready? Do you remember our question? How do I identify and compare three-dimensional shapes? Can you think of a way we can compare our shapes? That's right. We can look at the flat surfaces. We can compare them by vertices. And we can identify them, which we've been learning. So you know what? We're going to review today all the three-dimensional shapes. Let's go over our knowledge for college for this week. You ready? I can analyze and compare three-dimensional shapes. Can you say that with me? I can analyze and compare three-dimensional shapes using words like vertices, edges, faces, and the next knowledge for college is I can name the shapes. I can identify the shapes. So continue working at home, identifying and comparing the shapes. Today, before we do our math lesson, I want to review. Okay, let's see, that's a good spot there. Boys and girls, what kind of thinking map is this? Do you remember? You're so smart. It's a tree map. Boys and girls, thinking maps help us organize our information. Since we've been learning so much about three-dimensional shapes, I think we should organize all of our thinking. How about you? Yes, I thought so too. Boys and girls, let's talk about the first shape. Say cube. We're going to fill in all the branches of our tree map. The title of my tree map is called Three-Dimensional Shapes, and I have a cube, a sphere, a cylinder, and a cone. So I want to talk about cube. And I'm gonna use this different little box. Let's talk about cube. Okay, so now as we're looking at the cube, we're gonna see how many faces. Do you remember? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. How many faces? Say 6. A cube has 6 faces. What are these called again? That's right, vertices. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertices? 8. Good. 6 faces, 8 vertices, and this is challenge, but you know what? You're so smart. I think we should learn this. Let's go over the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. How many edges? 12, that's right. 12 edges. Let's review. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. And do you remember the faces? What shape are all the faces? That's right. All the faces are square. I'm just going to draw a square so that way you know. That's all we learned about the cube. Let's review. Say it with me in a complete sentence. A cube has 6 faces. A cube has 8 vertices. A cube has 12 edges. A cube has faces, and all the faces are square. square. Let's talk about the next three-dimensional shape. Do you know what this is? You got it. Ooh, my favorite. It's a sphere. So I want to use this orange today for the sphere, and I'm going to use my blue marker because it helps me organize my visuals. So say sphere. Boys and girls, how many faces? Say 0. Boys and girls, how many vertices, corners? That's right, you are too smart. 0 vertices. Boys and girls, how many edges? 0 edges. My marker's running out. And boys and girls, it doesn't really have faces, but it's curved and round, isn't it? So let's write that. Curved and what? Round. Let's review. Ready? I'll hold this here and you help me. Remember, we're using complete sentences. A sphere has 0 faces. A sphere has 0 vertices. A sphere has 0 edges. A sphere has it's curved and round. Good job. Look at our tree map. It's coming along, isn't it? Good. What's the next shape? That's right. I'm going to scoot back a little bit. What color do I need? What color? That's right. I need purple. Cylinder. Boys and girls, I'm going to use this tiny little cylinder. My little herbs I use for my food. Remember, three-dimensional shapes can be different sizes. I got a tiny one today. Say cylinder. So what are we looking for first? Oh, the faces. How many faces? 2. Let's write that. Oop, hopefully it fits here. 2 faces. How many vertices? No corners, no vertices. So what should I put? That's right, 0 vertices.